everyone, this is Happy J. It's a beautiful season, so I feel good. Today, I'm gonna make braised pork ribs. It's a dish all my family like. It'll take around an hour to cook, but the recipe is so simple. I prepared 600 grams of pork ribs, a piece of ginger, some green onion, 3 pieces of basil, 3 tablespoons of soju. The seasoning includes 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 2/3 tablespoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of starch syrup, 1 tablespoon of plum syrup, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of caustic barley, sesame seeds and black pepper powder, half onion and a little scallion, 1 pack of apple juice, 120 milliliters, 350 milliliters of water. Soak in water with sugar to remove the blood. Boil the water in the pot with basil, green onion, and ginger. When it starts to boil, add soju and pork ribs. And blanch the ribs over high heat for about 10 minutes in it. And then soak in cold water and wash the ribs thoroughly. If you see a lump of blood or impurities on the side, throw it away, like this. Slice the onion. Chop the scallion. Let's mix all the spices other than curry powder. Put the ribs in the pot and add the seasoning and onion. Boil it over high heat. After 10 minutes from when the soup started to boil, turn it down to medium-low heat and boil it down. Now add the curry powder mixed with a little water. Mix it from time to time so that the sauce gets absorbed well. Keep the pot over low heat until the soup boils down. Okay, there we go. I plated the food in a nice way and sprinkled chopped scallions and sesame seeds. Looks so beautiful. It's soft and chewy, sweet and delicious. It's an excellent dish for your family to love. Thank you.